Hello, my name is Christopher Williams, and today I will be talking about converting between probability and odds. The objective of teaching probability and odds is students will complete the worksheet that is given, and they will explain the difference between possibility and odds and how they intertwine. They will also give real-world examples using a coin to record their answers and better understand what probability and odds are. The material that I will be giving out is a piece of paper, a writing utensil, and a coin. I will start off my lesson by saying, hey, if you flip a coin, what are the chances that they will land on head? I will then briefly explain the chances of flipping on a head, which would be 50-50 each time you flip the coin. I will explain probability. Probability is the likelihood of an event occurring expressed as a fraction or as an expression. The odds is the ratio of the number of ways an event can occur and the numbers of ways it cannot occur. And then we will explain in the example of a coin flip. So if I flip this coin, the probability of heads is 1/2. One way to get heads and also 2 total outcomes. Using odds, using the same flip coin, the odds of the heads is 1 for heads and then also 1 for tails, which could be written like this. So, given this, they will work independently and flip the coin 10 times. This will then allow them to record their answers. So, we're going to go ahead and flip it 10 times. You ready? So, the first one is tails, heads, 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 tails, tails, heads, heads, tails. So then, after recording all of our information, we are then going to calculate. So there is how many tails? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 10, because remember, we're flipping 10 times. So tails would be 4 out of 10. Then we're going to count heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 6 out of 10 times we landed on heads. So once we are done with explaining and going over heads and tails and the probability of that with my student, we would then have them explain how many times you got heads, what is the total number of flips we did, and calculate the probability of getting heads from your results. So if we did it, it would be 6 out of 10 would be our answer, and that's how they can get their answer. So then I will give them an assessment. Students will learn that there are 2 possible results, heads or tails. And we will further explore the concept of probability through hands-on activities like this, including flipping coins and recording our outcome. They will calculate experimental probabilities engaging in the process and complete the worksheet assessed to understanding. The key concept including recognizing each flip independent, rather it be heads or tails. So the chances are 50%. Students will then be giving a short, fun probability quiz. The questions are, what are the possibilities, the outcomes, what are the possible outcome when a coin flip? Heads only, tails only, heads or tails, heads, tails, or both. The second question would be, if a coin is flipped 100 times, how many times would you expect to get heads? A, 25, B, 50, C, 75, or D, 100. Which of the following statements is true about flipping a coin? Each flip affects the outcome of the next. The more times you flip, the closer the outcome will be to the expected probability. You can predict the outcome